if you know me, I'm a YouTuber. So my dog was playing here out on my backyard, and just starting like sniffing here. I think this is snake. I will show you. Let me just go over there. It's really creepy, guys. You don't want to see this, but I will show you. There, I think this is snake, and I really love snakes, and so I'm gonna try to catch one today. I just need to get my equipment, and yeah, so I'm coming. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm back, guys. So now I'm gonna try to catch the snake, and yeah. So I just want to go get something in my gear on, because when I said I just gave me a second, I was actually just want to go inside because my mom called me. So just give me a second and I will come. Thanks. Okay guys, I'm back. I got my gloves, everything. So I'm gonna try to look for a snake. Okay, you just watch me. Yeah, I see this right here. That looks like a pit viper, the dangerous snake in the world. So I'm just gonna go ahead, get my hook to get it, so I will be right. Guys, I'm back. You can watch me. Just gonna get a snake, and if it's, I don't think I'm gonna get it because it's just laying there, and if it's dead, I can't get it. Then I have to end the video, so let's see if it's alive. Okay, yeah, sorry guys. I just saw it's dead. Luckily it's dead. But make sure you like and subscribe the video, because I just want to be a content creator just like you guys. So please like and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Peace.